Across the world, in cultures separated by oceans and thousands of years, a strange pattern appears. Stories of beings far larger than humans, giants, not just in one place, but everywhere. So the question is, why do so many civilizations describe them? These aren't just myths told in isolation. They appear in ancient texts, carvings, and oral traditions passed down for generations, from the Middle East to Greece to the Americas. The descriptions are strangely consistent. Massive beings, powerful, often described as existing alongside humans. In ancient texts, some of the earliest references to giants appear in the Middle East. Writings describe beings known as the Nephilim, described as powerful, larger than ordinary humans, and remembered as figures of great strength. These accounts don't read like simple stories. They're written as part of recorded history, which raises a difficult question. Were they symbolic or something more? In ancient Greece, similar beings appear again. The Titans, described as enormous, powerful entities that existed before the Olympian gods. They were not just large, they were fundamental forces in the early world. Once again, the idea of giants appears, not as an isolated myth, but as part of a larger pattern. In Norse mythology, giants known as the Jötnar. In the Americas, stories of large humanoid beings passed down through indigenous traditions. In many parts of the world, the same idea appears again and again. Different names, different stories, but the same core description. Over the years, there have also been claims of giant skeletons being discovered. Photographs have surfaced, reports have circulated, but most have been dismissed as hoaxes or misinterpretations. Still, the idea refuses to disappear. So what could explain this pattern? One possibility is that these stories are symbolic, representations of power, nature, or forces beyond human control. Another possibility is that ancient people encountered something unusual and described it the only way they could, or these stories could be echoes of something long forgotten. If these stories appeared in only one place, they could be dismissed, but they don't. They appear across the world, across time, across cultures that never interacted, which leaves us with a question that still hasn't been answered. Why does humanity remember giants? Like many ancient mysteries, the truth may be buried, lost to time, or waiting to be discovered. In the next episode, we explore ancient creatures carved in stone that look nothing like anything alive today.